So we started the Original Six Foundation really just wanting to help students in rural, challenged areas of South Carolina. I grew up in Bamberg. I knew that we didn't know what we didn't have. Now you take this COVID generation where children have lost a year to 2 years of school. You look at the fact that 65% of fourth graders are not proficient in reading. 65% of eighth graders are not proficient in reading or math. That's where the Original Six steps in, making sure we're lifting up those children so that even though they lost 2 years of school, we're going to help them make up for that.
In Allendale, literacy is our focus, and a large percentage of our students are not reading on grade level. You know, I say to the students all the time that readers are leaders, and you have to know how to read in order to do well in math, science, and social studies.
Our kids already had gaps in learning, and the pandemic just exacerbated that. The Homework Help Center provides additional support academically, and it also is helping create that sense of belonging for kids who were isolated for so long.
When we talk about South Carolina, oftentimes people challenge us with being ranked 48th or 49th in this country. You look at the hardest hit places or the most rural parts of South Carolina, and if we can make a difference there, we won't be 48 or 49. We can be 1, 2, or 3.
With the Original Six, we've had 33 schools in 12 districts and have helped 5,000 kids just this year. You add that up with all the homework hours, 2,000 homework hours, that's the work that the Original Six is doing. You won't see it plastered on every school. You won't see the news talking about it. But if you talk to these children, we are helping make up for that time that's lost.
When we are in regular classes, we have to teach via the curriculum map. But with the Homework Center, we are able to meet the children where they are with more time spent with them.
Our students are making stride, but it's because of the partnerships that we have with foundations such as yours, who have provided that additional support for our families.
When parents get home, they don't have to worry, I'm tired, I have to do this. It's a matter of them just having to check behind to make sure that the children have gotten it done, because our teachers ensure that before they leave, the work is done.
Well, the Homework Center, it has really impacted me because at first I was making horrible grades. I went from a 63 to an 89, a 53 to a 92, 67 to an 88, and a 70 to an 83.
So we were already passionate about education. We were already passionate about helping children in need. Now, once we've gotten through COVID, you're gonna see more expanded after-school programs. You're gonna see more books being given to rising first grade students. You're gonna see more teachers giving more homework assistance, and we are gonna make up that time. We're not giving up on these kids. We're gonna fight for them. We are making the difference in the lives of these children in a way that they'll never forget.